Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're dealing with frustrating sync issues in Monarch Money, that app you rely on for tracking your budgets and expenses, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through simple, effective steps to get everything syncing smoothly again. Whether it's not updating your bank transactions or just freezing up, these fixes should have you back on track in no time. First things first, let's start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Sometimes, a weak Wi-Fi signal or mobile data issue is the culprit. Make sure you're connected to a stable network and try restarting your router if needed. This is an easy step that often resolves minor glitches. Next, update your Monarch Money app. Outdated versions can cause compatibility problems, so head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and look for any available updates. Install them, and then reopen the app to see if syncing works better. If that doesn't do the trick, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Monarch Money, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to refresh it. This clears out temporary files that could be causing conflicts. Another key step is to reconnect your accounts. In the app, go to Settings, find the Accounts section, and remove and re-add your bank or financial institutions. Double-check your login credentials to ensure they're correct. This often fixes sync errors due to expired tokens or changes on the bank's end. If you're still facing issues, restart your device. It's a simple troubleshoot that can resolve software bugs. And if nothing works, don't hesitate to contact Monarch Money's support team. They have helpful resources and can guide you through more advanced fixes. There you have it, straightforward steps to banish those sync problems. Remember, staying on top of your finances is crucial, so getting this sorted will make your life easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.